Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix CS2 stuttering after update, fix FPS drops, frame spikes, and micro stutters. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during this video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. Without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First, since the update for CS2 has made your game lag or even stutter, what I'd recommend is by lowering down all the settings on the graphics quality. So make sure that everything is turned off and at the lowest. Just go ahead and climb back up and check and test everything out. That is the most simple fix. But anyways, on your Steam right over here, go ahead and click on Steam right over here. Click on settings, in game, and disable the Steam overlay while in game. This causes a few big lags actually while you're in game, so make sure to turn that off. And if you actually do need it, just go ahead and turn that on, okay? And when it's done, go ahead and go to your library right over here. Click on library, click on your game, properties, and on installed files, go ahead and click on verify integrity of game files. As you know, corrupted files fixes the verifying integrity of game files for Steam, so this is a very common fix for tools for stutters and frame spikes or frame drops as well. So go ahead and exit out and try your game after that. If that doesn't fix, make sure to check your graphics driver latest update. So to do that, go ahead and click on your start menu, device manager. Over here, click on display adapters, right click on your GPU, click on update driver. Search for automatically for drivers. Most likely, if it's older, you will have to find or see here a new one, but this is mostly not the case if they say the best drivers are already installed. So go ahead and close that out. On your tray, go ahead and right click on your NVIDIA settings and then click on NVIDIA app. Once on NVIDIA app, just go ahead and click on drivers over here and download and install the latest driver for your GPU. Once done, exit that out, right click, and then restart your PC and relaunch your game, and it should be fixed. Another thing though, make sure that you have the settings for Windows for gaming. So to do that, go ahead and click on your Windows settings or over here or your Windows menu, and then type in game mode. Click on game mode. Over here on game mode, make sure to turn this on as this optimizes your PC for play. On the same page, go ahead and click on graphics settings right over here. And make sure to turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. As you can see here is the description. It reduces latency, improves performance, and you'll need to restart your PC to take effect. Also on graphics performance preference, I'd recommend adding CSGO over here. So go ahead and click on browse and find your CSGO. As for me, it is on my Steam library folder, Steam apps, common, and then CSGO. Once you added CSGO over here, just go ahead and restart your PC. That should be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful... That's it all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.